So I just landed at Dublin Airport. So we're going to look at the airport and the transportation available in Dublin as well as outside of Dublin. I'm currently in Terminal 1, working my way out, and to get around in Dublin or anywhere else, you need a Leap card now. This is from April 2026, and the only place to get one from the airport is walking all the way to Terminal 2. Luckily, it's not that far, it's about an extra 4-minute walk from the outside. There's only one shop you can buy this from, and that is from the spa. 3-day pass is €18, but they charge you an extra euro for buying it from the airport, so I paid €19. As soon as you use it, it's unlimited use for 3 days. Just outside of the shop, you can find this sign on the side. There is no staff, but you can read the sign and walk all the way to the bus stop, which takes quite a while to walk there. If you don't want this pass, you can buy the Leap card for €5, and then you get the app and top up as you like. The issue of getting a refundable card is that you refund it in the city centre, and you won't have a card to get back to the airport. You can, however, pay by cash, but they don't give you any change, and it's no longer discounted. You're paying the full price. On the Leap card, it's discounted €2 a trip. I was here for 2 days, so it works out about the same. I probably end up saving more because I haven't topped up as much and not be able to get the refund. It takes about an hour with traffic into the centre. Don't sit at the front like I did because it's boiling hot and it gets very packed. If you want a faster journey, you can pay €6 one way for express bus. Now you can use the buses, the trams, or you can easily walk around. Their pedestrian sound is really cool. It's like a sapper of a gun, so I have to show you. The visitor's pass also includes the commuter train. This is a fast journey in and out of the city. I stayed all the way on the outskirts in Adamstown. By bus it takes an hour. So from the centre, I took a bus for an hour back to the airport. Surprisingly, there was a lot less people on the way there than when we came. The airport bus stops at Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, so you can get off at the correct one. You have a short walk of zebra crossings to the airport. There are lifts available. It's not very well signposted though. Once you're upstairs, you can cross the zebra crossing again, and then you actually enter the airport. You can also take a taxi. New airport rules, you can have 2 litres now. In Dublin Airport, they have made new restaurants. If you didn't have a chance to go to the Guinness Storehouse, the bar is right here. Kim Bok opened last year, so I gave it a try. It was alright. It was served quickly though. Make your way to the gate. You may be able to go past a hydration hub where you can fill up your water bottle, buy some snacks, have a restaurant, and there are some charging areas, but they are very limited. As usual, any cheap airline, they are normally delayed and you wait around for a while anyway. I hope this guide was useful. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.